Today we're taking a look at the Reolink Argus 2 and their solar panel bundle, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Steve from the YouTube channel Steve Does, and I want to thank you for joining me here at reviews.org. In the video today, we are going to be taking a look at Reolink's Argus 2. This is a 1080p budget home security camera. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about the features of the camera, showing you what comes in these boxes. I'm also quickly going to go over some of the features in the app, and then I'm going to show you guys some demos of what this camera can do. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. With that said, let's get started. All right, so taking a look at the box, there's actually not many features listed on the box, so I thought I would take a look at the website. We take a look at what we're seeing on the website here. Here are all of the features of this camera. I'm just going to hit a couple of these. So we've got, it is a 100% wireless camera. It comes with solar panel, rechargeable battery. It's got night vision, 1080p, two-way audio, waterproof, 130-degree viewing angle. You can check out live views anytime. It's going to notify you when the battery does get low. Optional motion detection. So this is if you're going to put an SD card in, it can record locally to the device, which is really nice. One thing that I don't notice here, but I did notice up top here, is that it does work with Google and Alexa. Okay, so now that we have gone over some of the features, let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so here's everything that comes in both boxes. We've got the camera on the magnetic base. We've also got a weather cover, got the battery, a tree strap, a bag of screws and anchors. We've got a anti-fall cable, so if it comes off of the magnetic base, it won't hit the ground. Down here we have a power cable for charging it up, a security mount. This is what you would use for the tree strap. Also have the quick start guide, the mounting templates for screwing the holes, and then also a window decal. In the box with the solar panel, we've got the solar panel, a metal security mount, bag of screws and anchors, and then also have quick start guide, mounting template, and another window decal. Okay, so now that we've seen everything that comes in the boxes, let's get this camera set up and take a look at the app. Okay, so setting up the camera was really easy to do. I downloaded the app, created an account, followed the on-screen instructions, got it connected to Wi-Fi, and I was done. Okay, so I want to show you guys some features in this app. If we take a look, we've got my camera loaded up right here. If I tap on that camera, it's going to load up a live view of that camera. We've got all of the standard functions down below it. One that I want to point out is where you see it says hi. So if I tap on that, it's going to give me the option of a video resolution. You got 1080p and you have fluent. Take a look at these a little bit later. Down at the bottom, we've got talk, so you can actually have two-way communication or playback. Clicking on playback, it's going to show you all the clips right here. You can scroll through these to see all of the different clips of everything that has been happening for that day. Now, if I close out of this and hit the down arrow up here to close out of the camera, we see a gear icon next to the name. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to bring up all the different settings. So we've got things like battery life, what network I'm connected to. Display is one that I wanted to show you guys. So inside of display, there's quality. If I tap on quality, this is going to bring up the two different resolutions that we saw. We saw fluent, and this one is clear. So clear is 1080p. You can actually tap on these and set different resolutions, frame rates, and bit rates for your different resolution profiles if you want. So here are the options for the clear resolution, and then we've also got the fluent resolution. So lower resolutions here, but this one is going to give you the fastest response time. So I'm going to back out of there. As you can see, some of the other settings, we've got the different alarm settings, turning those on and off. We've got notification settings, push notifications, emails, siren on and off, and those are the different settings of this app. Now that we've taken a look at these settings, let's see what kind of quality this camera can do. All right, so in the first shot here, we've got the camera. It's lower to the ground, just sitting on the barbecue. And here's the shot of the girls just running around the table.
Okay, now go this way. What the mommy?
So in this clip here, I'm getting ready to shoot my outdoor lighting video. That's the video I posted last week. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link it above. We just got the camera set up and installed, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the bright sunlight. It's the middle of the day. It is very bright out here. It's hard to even actually look up at the camera, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what it looked and sound like. Now, it's actually got some breeze coming through, so I'm curious to see if the wind is going to get picked up on these cameras, but this is what it looks and sounds like. I'm about 10-15 feet away from the camera right now. What do you guys think? All right, we are back out here to get a night shot with the camera. This is what it looks like with the infrared turned on and a night shot of what it looks like. All right, so now that you guys have seen the demos of the camera, what do you think? I was actually really impressed with what this thing can do at this price point. The camera comes with a lot of accessories, including that solar panel. The solar panel plugs into the back of the camera and kept the battery topped off. Now, it's not a perfect camera. There are some things that I don't like about it. First off, when I was trying to save clips from this device, I was only able to save them in 30-second chunks. So even though I recorded a clip that is 2 minutes long, I could only save 30 seconds of that clip. That's something that I would like to see change down the road, especially when I look at other cameras. If it recorded a 2-minute clip, typically I can go in there and just say download the clip and it grabs the whole clip. I'm not actually cutting out sections of the recorded clip. So that is one thing that I was not a big fan of with this camera. The second thing is that there are no thumbnails for all the triggered events in this camera. So if we take a look at the timeline of all of the triggered events, it's just showing me the date and the time of when the event happened, but I don't see any kind of little picture or thumbnail of what was actually happening in that clip. It's really helpful to be able to see that if you have a lot of clips to go through and you're looking for something specific, but unfortunately right now in the app that is not an option. But other than that, this was a really solid camera. I like this camera for the price. It comes bundled with that solar panel. This is just a good price for a good camera. But what are your thoughts on this camera? What are you guys using right now? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know what other cameras you guys are using out there. If you guys want to see more on the Reolink or any other security camera, check out the website reviews.org. I will leave a link in the description below. If you guys want to see more from me, check out my YouTube channel, Steve Does, where I do a lot of smart home tech reviews and just other cool tech videos. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. I want to thank you guys for joining me here at reviews.org, and I'll see you guys in the next video.